Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix online service error or enable to create party to join a request on Spectre divide, right? So without further ado, let's get started. So first, what I suggest you to do here is to simply restart your game and verify game files. And for some people, it helps. So just go on Steam, just quit game, go to library, properties, installed files, verify integrity of the game files, and after that just run the game and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, the problem can be not on your end. So first, what you need to do here, you need to open a browser, and then you just need to go to on Spectre Divide X, and then look if there is no maintenance right now. Usually when there is maintenance with servers, they basically provide with all the information on their X account or Twitter account, right? And if it's not the case, then problem probably is on your end, and we can proceed with other steps, right? So the first, what I suggest to do here is to test your internet speed here. And if you have a good internet speed, you're good to go. And if you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router, right? And if it's not the case, the next step, what you can do here is to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And then here, what you need to do here is to write ipconfig /flush DNS. And another command is nesh winsock reset, and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, if you're using, for example, VPNs, proxies, or other things related to VPNs, try to disable them, because it can be the problem, right? And if it's not the case, then what I suggest to do here again is to go on Steam, Spectre Divide, Properties, browse, and copy the path of your game. Just press on the blank space here and copy, right? And sometimes your Windows Defender firewall or antivirus settings do not let game to play online. So if you're using third-party antivirus software like Avast, McAfee, or others, try to disable them or give it a permission. And with your Windows Defender firewall, what you need to do here, you just need to write Windows Defender firewall, allow app or feature to Windows Defender firewall, then change settings, allow another app, browse, then paste the path of the game, and then here it should be here Spectre client exe, or it can be on binaries Win64. Just look quickly, but probably yeah, only this, maybe here. You can add these two files here. As you can see here, it already added. If you get it, this link, you're good to go. And then client exe as well, we can add it here. As you can see here, already added to exceptions, so we don't need to worry about it. And then the next step, what we need to do here is to go to virus and threat protection. And then go to manage settings, then exclusions, then add an exclusion folder, then paste again the path, and then select Spectre Divide and select folder, right? And then restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then you just need to go to settings, network and internet, then advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, you don't need to do here nothing. And the last thing what you can do here, again, go to advanced network settings. Then you need to go to your internet connection, then more adapter options, double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.